Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add a watermark to your videos. Your YouTube videos, your Facebook videos, your tutorials, so as to prevent someone from copying it or downloading it illegally without giving you a credit or without crediting your video. Alright, so let me play this video. So as you can see on the screen, you can see that the video is playing and you can see Janat graphics below. Alright, so this is for the word or the text form. Now you can also use your logo, right? So you can see that my logo is showing on the video, right? So without wasting much time, let's jump into it and start with it. So we are going to use these two videos, right? So we have to edit. I will delete this and show you how to do it, right? I'll delete this and I will delete that. Alright, so yeah, we have to start now. You go to your test after importing your video, right? That's the first step. Go to your test, so you can see test here. You click on test, then you type your handle, right? So mine is Janat graphics, so I'll just do @ I'll bring the @ sign, then type Janat graphics. Janat graphics. Great. Now I have to shift it to the sideway for me to get this double arrow, right? So that is where you use to resize it, because as you can see, it's too big for the screen. So you resize it to the size that you want, then you place it at where you want it to be. So I think this is fine. I want to place it here. Sorry. Okay, so you have to check before doing any editing, else as you can see, what first happened would happen. So this is okay, the size is okay. I want to leave it here. Now after doing this, you would have to extend this. All right, extend it throughout the whole video, so it can be played throughout the video. From the beginning of the video to the end. All right, so I want it to only apply to the first video, right? So let's play it. Okay, after that you have to check. Let's play it. So you can see that my handle is still showing on the screen, and to be shown throughout the first video. So you can see now. Good, that's for the first one. Now let's get to the second one. The second one, you still go back, you narrow it down to the second video, right? Now we have sticker just beside test, so click on sticker, right? After clicking on sticker, okay, you can see sticker here, another sticker, so you click on it. So after clicking on it, you have plus here, then you have I think this is CapCut. Okay, so for the first one, if your picture or your logo is already having its background removed, right, it's a PNG logo, then you can use the first one, that's a plus sign. But then if your logo is having a background, okay, consider using the second one, so that when you import, it will automatically remove the background for you, right? So I want to use the first one. Okay, then yeah, I'm in the folder, so not this folder. Locate the folder where you can find your stuff. Okay, so this is my folder. Okay, so here, this is the logo I want to use. So you can see, because I use this, the second one, you can see the background of the logo has been removed automatically, right? So you just have to resize it, then place it where you want it to be. So I just want it to be in the middle, or I can bring it to the corner here. Yeah, so this is okay. Now I'll go on to check. Now when you import the logo like this, it automatically saves it here, so you can see the logo is here. Now next time, if you want to use the same logo with a background, you just come here and click on this one. Okay, so let's check. Then you have to extend it as we did in the first one to the end of the video. Okay, now let's play that one too. Alright, so guys, you can see it playing here from the beginning to the end. Now this is how to add a watermark to your video to prevent illegal copying and those stuff. Yeah, so if you consider this video being influential, loving, nice, then please consider subscribing to this channel, like, comment for more videos, and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first person to see, right? If you have any difficulty, just comment in the comment section. I will take time to reply all your messages, answer all your questions. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.